Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Indian Lifestyle in Australia. How are you all? I hope you all are well. So this is the last vlog for Great Ocean Road trip. In this video you will see some lookouts and then we will go to direct to 12 Apostles. So stay with me in this vlog. So now we came to Castle Cove lookout. Kiara is crying for holding in lap because she is very tired now. Here you can see the direction for multiple things like Great Ocean Road Walk, campsite and Erie River. Basically the Great Ocean Walk is a one-way long distance walk. So in this board they are saying you can choose hike itineraries of 2 days, 3 days or 4 days or take the whole walk. So it's hiking up to 8 days covering approximately 100 kilometers. Kiara, look at back. Wow. Wow, what a landscape. Now you can see the full view. I don't feel like going from here, but I have to go. So friends, now reached on next stop. Let's go. So here is the direction for multiple spots you can see, but we are going to Gables Lookout and Rack Lookout is almost 3.5 km far, so we cannot go because of Kiara. I mean on this track you can see we can't take pram and she cannot walk this much long. I am liking this track very much, so I am going to add it to my blog. Please don't escape. This track is almost 400 meter long and I can see these are redwood. Because of the weather condition, we didn't go lot many things on Apollo Bay or Cape Otway. So definitely we will do in next time. And you can see the greenery. Now we almost reached and Kiara is also walking this much. Beautiful. After this completing, we will be heading to 12 Apostles directly, as I told you previously. So before that, we will stop at Gibson's Steps as well. I think 2 minutes drive only to 12 Apostles from there. So guys, we have reached to Gibson Steps beach and you can see the landscape and you can see the lots of parking space are there. Here is some warnings. Warning is unstable cliffs, so be careful. The Gibson Steps are an area of cliffs on the south coast of Australia. The cliffs are the first sightseeing stop of in Port Campbell National Park. So this area is called Port Campbell National Park. Amazing view. So this lookout is called Saddle Lookout. Actually this is very long beach. This beach is around 1.1 kilometer long and it receives waves of averaging over 1.5 meter. The name Gibson Steps basically refers to the staircase. So these are the staircase leading down to the stretch of beach that is shown to the right. These are inclined for sure. Stairs are hard because you have to lift your leg a certain height. So yeah, these steps were initially formed by the Australian Aboriginals for fishing purpose. Have a look. Wow. In the 1870s, Mr. Gibson improved on that by cutting steps straight down through the limestone. So these are almost 86 steps. Kiara is sleeping in the car. That's why ये possible हो पाया है कि हम लोग यहाँ आए. Actually my friend's son is also in the car, so he is with Kiara. Now I show you the steps from the beach side. Look. Very nice place, very nice. So you guys can consider this place as well in your bucket. After some time we will go to 12 Apostles. It's almost 2 minutes drive from here. So friends, we reached to 12 Apostles finally. So let's go to the destination. This is a small walk from the car park. Kiara doesn't want to walk. And you can see this is 12 Apostles kiosk. They are having hot and cold drinks. And if you are looking for a quick bite to eat, sunscreens, hat, etc. And you will get some information as well from here. So in this map they have mentioned visitor information, lighthouse, national park, winery, connecting routes, and Melbourne to Adelaide coastal and inland routes. They have shown you can visit 12 Apostles Marine National Park, Port Campbell National Park, and Bay of Island Coastal Park. 12 Apostles lookouts 1 kilometer from here. No, 1 kilometer return. I mean half an hour from one side. So now question is how many 12 Apostles are there and how many 12 Apostles we can have a look. So now it's time to photo session. Then I will tell. So come to the point, the 12 Apostles can be seen as 7 limestone rock stakes. 6 of them are visible in the classic view that we enjoyed, and while the 7th one is located several meters away from the corner of the main viewpoint. There were 9 rock stakes at the beginning of the 21st century. Then at 9:18 am on 3rd July 2005, one of them collapsed. Another collapsed in 2009. These small islands known as the 12 Apostles have a story that began millions of years ago, but now they constantly changing. So according to this, two are going and one has gone. So these rough waves not only destroy apostles or rock sticks, but they form them too. So these are swamp wallaby, short-beaked echidna. So basically these are very hard to see now. So pay attention to them. These birds at any time can be seen. So keep an eye. Amazing, really amazing. Wow, wonderful, nice experience. I really like this place and want to come again. And you guys also consider this place in your bucket list. I hope you also enjoyed this video. So don't forget to show your support by liking this video, spreading the word by sharing it, and new viewers, make sure to subscribe for more awesome content. So thank you and goodbye. Meet you in the next vlog.